Welcome back to Always Secured Automation. If your transmitter is showing strange low readings even after calibration, you might be facing something called zero thrifting. Let's break it down in simple terms. First things first. What is zero thrifting? It's a condition where the 0 point of a transmitter drifts or shifts away from its actual calibrated value over time. This causes the output to be incorrect, even when the input is at 0. For example, if you're using a pressure transmitter and the input pressure is actually 0, but the transmitter shows 5 MA instead of 4 MA, that's zero thrifting in action. Now let's understand what causes it. Zero thrifting can happen due to temperature variations, aging of electronic components, vibration or mechanical stress, improper installation or mounting, moisture ingress or corrosion. Over time, even the best calibrated transmitters can shift slightly if these factors aren't controlled. You can detect zero thrifting during routine calibration or zero checks. Here's how. Isolate the transmitter from process pressure, which means zero input. Observe the output signal. It should be 4 milliamps for a standard 4 to 20 milliamp loop. If it's off, for example 3.7 or 4.3 milliamps, you've got zero thrifting. You can also use a calibrator like a Druck or Fluke to simulate zero input and confirm the output error. To correct zero thrifting, perform a zero trim or zero adjustment. Use the HART Communicator or device configuration software. Apply true zero input, like atmospheric pressure for pressure transmitters. Select zero trim or zero adjust in the menu. Save settings and confirm the output goes back to 4 milliamps. Pro tip: always recheck after fixing to ensure stability. Also, keep a calibration record. So to summarize, zero thrifting is when the transmitter's zero output slowly shifts from where it should be. It's usually caused by environmental or mechanical factors, and can be fixed through zero trimming. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more instrumentation and control content. This is your name from Always Secured Automation. See you in the next video.